I was told to put 2 lemons in the oven and I ignored it, but my neighbor did, and it is amazing what happened. Ventilation in a home is crucial to maintaining sanitation and hygiene in different spaces. But what can we do when one of the rooms has no windows? If this is your case, keep listening and we'll tell you some tips. However, when we leave the doors and windows open, other invaders may arrive. In the worst case, we would have the unexpected visit of an assailant who stole many of our belongings. For that, we can tell you an accurate solution in this video. Keep away all insects and pests once and for all. There are many factors that influence the stay of insects in our home. They may find food crumbs somewhere, perhaps smells will attract you, or just the heat inside. The first thing to do is to identify which of these factors is attracting you. After identifying it, you can attack the problem from its root. To help you fight these unexpected visitors, we bring you a simple solution that you can apply immediately. The only thing you need to have are 2 things, which are easy to get and that surely already have in your kitchen. We will use 1, 2 or 3 lemons. You can also put an orange. 2. An oven. What to do? The first thing to know is that this process should be done shortly before going to sleep. Cut the lemons in half and place them inside your oven, leaving the oven door open. The next morning, you light the oven with the lemons inside for 6 minutes. After that time, you turn off the oven and reopen your door. After this process, you will notice a pleasant smell throughout your house that annoys insects. As a result, they will end up fleeing your home quickly. However, to a greater effect, you must accompany this process with a regular cleaning of your home. This will keep you free of pests.